Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fill out USPS Form 1583. So this form is needed if you want to open a private mailbox through a commercial mail receiving agency. So this helps you confirm your identity and make sure that the mailbox is connected to the right person or business. So first, get a new copy of Form 1583. If you need to fix a mistake or use different ID details, make sure that you use a fresh form. You can also print it out if you plan to have it notarized in person. So the form is very simple once you break it down into sections. So start with the CMRA section. So in box 1A, enter the date that your mailbox account was opened. Then in boxes 2A through 2E, write the full mailbox address including the mailbox number. So after that, go to the box 3, choose if the mailbox is for personal use, business use, or both. Next, complete the applicant details in boxes 4A through 4K. And then make sure the information matches your IDs exactly. If the mailbox is for business use, also fill out boxes 7A through 7I with the company details. The person filling out the form must be an owner, officer, or manager of the business. Then move to the ID section. So in boxes 8A through 8E, enter the details for your photo ID. At least one photo ID is required. In boxes 9A through 9G, add your second ID and make sure the address matches. So once everything is done, sign the form in box 13A. So the last step is notarization. A notary will sign in box 14A and place their stamp on the second page. So after that, submit the signed and notarized form along with your two IDs to your mailbox provider. And that's how you fill out USPS Form 1583. So thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.